Alright, so I decided to customize my Scout here. I've always been torn on the badge. It sticks out a little bit, as you can see. And I don't know, I like the sleekness of, like to say, the Scout Bobber 2020, where old Scouts have the chief headdress, the Indian. So or I was thinking about just the flat look, so we'll see. So I have a little heat gun. All right, so what I have is just an embossing heat tool. There's all kinds of heat guns, and I think even hair dryers would work for this, you know, typical fishing line. All right, and then I've seen all kinds of different ways to remove badges and adhesives. I was recommended this 3M Auto Advanced adhesive. It's a little expensive, but it does the trick on a lot of things. So here we go. All right, so I've already done the other side. So what I found was I like to just do one at a time. You could probably heat the whole thing up and try to go at it. I've got the time, so I guess I just found that worked the best. So go ahead and start with the eye. I don't think you want to do it too long to heat up all your paint, but just get it nice in there. I got my son here to hold this. Hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Okay, so can you hold that for me?
Yeah.
Alright, so where's the one? Can you point it at the eye? Go on that side, maybe through that side. Can you see the eye now?
Yep.
Okay. So just wiggle it through. That heat really helps compared to when you don't heat it. Maybe not touch it right away because I did that before. But yeah, now it just leaves this little adhesive behind. You want I found that you can kind of roll it away. It helps to get as much of that off as you can, so you don't have as much, but it doesn't always want to come off. Whatever you don't get off is what you'll use the 3M adhesive remover for. So we'll go ahead and do the end. Might be able to do it a little longer. I don't know. I'm not a very patient person. Don't say anything, Ethan. I'm really patient.
Yeah.
Good answer. So wiggle that back and forth. This is your line I cut from your ice fishing rod that we never got to use this year. Oh. All right, so all I have left is the Scout on here. So you can see the adhesive in here too. I don't know if this is like aluminum, but it kind of is a foam piece. See if you get a little chunk, kind of can pull off. Some areas better than others. Just get as much of that stuff off as you can before you use the remover. So now, shake this up. You can kind of use it fairly liberally. Just take a rag. I tried some cotton swab type things that didn't work very well. We do it kind of like swirly motions. See how it's starting to come off, spread out. I might not be an expert at this, but there's a little dent in the tank here. Interesting. I didn't even notice that when I got it. When I got it, there was a little scratch on here, and that was hiding the dent. All right. So that's the finished look. It's kind of cool. I think it gives it a nice little touch. I didn't, now that the Chiefs are out, they have the badge too, and it's not like it looks bad. It's just, I don't know, maybe I'm just tired of looking at the 3D badge, but it's one way to customize it. And then if you want to see what I'm doing next, show the process, but this is what I had envisioned. I'll make another video for that.